When I first saw Devin AI, I thought the internet was exaggerating. People were saying things like, "This is the end of developers. AI can now build software by itself. Junior developers are finished." Honestly, that sounded a little crazy. So instead of reading tweets and watching demos, I decided to test Devin AI myself. And after spending time with it, I think the truth is a lot more interesting than the headlines. The first thing I noticed is that Devin doesn't feel like ChatGPT. It doesn't feel like a coding assistant either. It feels more like giving tasks to a junior employee. You tell it what you want. It starts working. It writes code, searches documentation, fixes issues, and sometimes even tries different approaches on its own. The first time I saw that happen, I was genuinely impressed because that's very different from asking an AI to write one function. This thing actually attempts to complete projects. Then I tried giving it real work. Build a small app, fix bugs, make changes, research solutions. And honestly, some tasks that would have taken me a while were completed surprisingly fast. That part is real. The productivity gains are real, but then I ran into something nobody talks about. The AI still gets stuck. Sometimes it misunderstands the task, sometimes it goes in the wrong direction, sometimes it creates things that technically work but aren't the best solution. And that's where my opinion changed, because I realized Devin AI doesn't replace developers. It changes how developers work. Think about it like this. A calculator didn't replace accountants. Google didn't replace researchers. And AI agents probably won't replace developers either. They'll just remove some of the repetitive work. Now here's where I think people are making a huge mistake. Business owners are hearing the phrase AI developer and assuming they no longer need technical people. I don't think that's true at all. In fact, the more powerful these tools become, the more valuable good developers become, because somebody still needs to understand what should be built, how it should work, and whether the AI made mistakes. The next thing I noticed was who benefits most. Startup founders, agencies, freelancers, developers managing multiple projects, people who need to move faster. For those users, Devin AI is genuinely exciting. It can save time, a lot of time. But here's my honest conclusion. Can Devin AI replace developers? No, at least not today. What it can do is make one developer dramatically more productive. And honestly, that's still a huge deal, because the future probably isn't AI versus developers. It's developers who use AI versus developers who don't. And after testing Devin AI, that's the biggest lesson I walked away with. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.